I'm That Drywall Guy, Myron Ferguson. I'm going to talk a little bit about how to carry drywall when you're hanging drywall on walls. This is just an 8-foot piece of drywall. You might think you got to get right on your knees and keep your fingers underneath it to lift it, but really you can use momentum. I'm just going to pick this end up real quick, get my hand underneath it, centered, and then I'm able to just walk out of the room with it. Now that's not too bad when you're only using an 8-foot piece of drywall. But let me show you an easier way. I'm going to use the HangPro Drywall Lift for walls to move this panel from this room to the other room. And like I said, this is just an 8-footer. Now what you have to do, bring the lift up to the sheet. Then all I have to do is lift one end a few inches off the floor and put it onto the cradle. Crank it up a few inches. Then I'm able to go right through this doorway with it.